Hi, I'm Emily Oppenheim. I'm the Education Programs Director with Veterinary Community Partnership. In partnership with Hopeworks, we have been working with Hopeworks community residences and bringing cooking experiences in a 3-part virtual series. So at Veterinary Community Partnership, our mission is to provide nutrition education to communities through hands-on cooking experiences with a good focus on plant-forward recipes. And Hopeworks has been providing our organization with trauma-informed care sessions through their youth healing team. Which has actually become an integral part of our organization and our onboarding processes. Our main goal and focus is, again, to create cooking sessions, cooking series to provide an opportunity for folks to learn something new, engage with cooking, whereas maybe they are someone who prefers to eat out or have their meals prepared for them, in order to create a sense of ownership over nourishing their bodies, but also confidence in the kitchen, being able to pick up equipment safely and knowing that they can utilize it effectively and properly. In addition to knowing also what to do when you pick out ingredients at the grocery store. And that's been our main goal, and it's been really great. We've done so far 2 of the 3 series classes with Hopeworks. And again, it's been so great being able to see the participants, behind the screen in their own kitchens, working with these new ingredients. Our vision with these classes and, with these Hopeworks participants, and again, beyond, is that they leave our sessions, maybe it's after one class, maybe it's after many, with the skills and the confidence to prepare nourishing meals, and then also voice for nutritious choices in their own homes, but also within their communities. So